I'm quite passionate about computer science, and I thought doing robotics would be a fun new step for me.
So we have the option to either create our own project or build one that's already been designed by someone else.
Right now we're trying to prepare for a battle we'll have with our robots. We have our own little group mottos. It's a very weird one. It's called Kill the Dog because one of the projects was called Kiki the Dog, and I accidentally read it as Kill the Dog. So then we made it our group motto.
Like the creative aspect of it, and I like problem solving when it doesn't quite work out and you have to figure out how to improve it.